Ta-da! Nice with the pinion.
Mighty Voyager, aka Miss Holiday.
Miss Holiday, how many kilometers on that one?
Probably 60,000.
Okay.
Yeah, 60,000. And I changed only the rear and the front hub. Because once I had an accident in Iran.
Yeah.
So the dynamo hub was gone. And then in Guatemala, the free runner, which is, how you call it? Which allows you to pedal in backwards. Not pedal it, but to just to free run it.
Yeah.
It broke too. So yeah.
And a Brook saddle is that?
The Brook saddle, yeah. This is the original, and also the belt is the original one.
Oh, the belt's done 60,000 kilometers.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice. Yeah. Oh, he's got it.
It's not 22 Newton meters. It's harder.
Hey! Since seeing the state of my old saddle, Noel at Vivente had sent me a new one which my mum had brought to Budapest, but I hadn't been able to remove the old one myself.
Okay. She started from here, right from the... Is there a sign on the other side?
Yeah, there's numbers on this side, yeah.
Okay, like this.
Oh,
it
perfect.
was like this. That's it.
Wow. So Adam's heading the opposite direction on a mountain bike trip today, and I am getting used to a new saddle which has been installed on purpose, facing up a little bit more than the last one was, and I can immediately feel the difference even though it was like a millimeter. But new saddle, 92,000 kilometers. Oof. What on earth does this mean? Which one is it? Okay. Can't believe they let me return that camping gas. I had to buy 2 little ones instead, but I'm stoked. Otherwise that was quite a lot of money that went nowhere. See ya. Beautiful autumn colours, blue sky, life is good. It is the end of an era, but I am enjoying my brand new saddle. I'm keeping this one just in case I have some kind of crisis in the next few kilometers. It's obviously got a lot more bend in it after 92,000 kilometers than this one does, but I'm sure I'm going to adjust to it. The reason I wanted to keep it is because this one has done me very, very proud, very comfy, so I wanted the exact same model, and I'm sure we'll have lots of adventures together on this one. gosh, it's absolutely gorgeous here. I'm so glad I came this way. I've come this way because actually I have another warm shower house tonight, so this is sort of, it's a few kilometres out of my way, but clearly absolutely worth it. It's so gorgeous. Oh, thank you so much indeed to Danny and Kate who PayPal'd me. Guys, thank you so much, that is so well appreciated. What a fantastic feeling right now. It's great to be a bike tourer today. Thank you so much indeed, Danny and Kate. Oh my gosh, what a perfect village. And this is where my warm shower host is. My host has a lesson right now. Cheers.
We have plenty, so if you want more or if you want to have it tomorrow, then
Thank you, it looks amazing.